Next one up, Royal Enfield Continental GT. This is one Danny at DBH has just taken in. She is minging. Oh my God, this thing's been sitting outside for quite some time. She is in desperate need of a bit of trot. TLC, typical Enfield, poor quality metal on these cases. Look at that, they are like sandpaper. Rough. We'll get all that polished up, get some XCP corrosion protection on it. See if we can do something with that exhaust. Get these wheels minted. This is a 20 plate. Obviously not been very well looked after. But, not an issue, not something we can't sort out. So we're gonna do our legendary full Monty valet. Probably do a bit of paint correcting on this bodywork, this black, and we will polish up all these cases. Get it looking like it should, and then we'll get a nice coating of XCP on it and get it in the showroom. Give us a few hours. Okay, cracking on with this lovely Royal Enfield GT 650. This is one for Danny at DBH Motorcycles. It's coming up pretty good. Just gave the old engine cases a polish. Just doing a bit of polishing on the tank. This is had quite a few marks on it. We use the Cartech products. Just want to show you, look at this. This is before, after. That's literally 2 runs. Good old Cartech. We start off with the 3000, we finish off with the 9000. But look at the difference in that. Good old black shows every single mark. So I'm going to just get the rest of that tank done, get the side covers done, engine cases all polished up nicely, and then this will be heading for the showroom. If you're looking for a very low mileage Continental GT, give Danny a ring at DBH Motorcycles. There you go, 3 hours on the dot. This Royal Enfield 650 has been fully trotted and looking freaking sweet. Paintwork's come up a right treat. Look at the gloss on that. Good old Cartech, you can't beat it. Engine case is polished, rocker cover's been polished. All the little bits of chrome that was just starting to corrode, all been polished. XCP'd afterwards. Heading for the showroom, up for sale, DBH Motorcycles. If you're looking for a low mileage Continental 650, give them a ring. On to the next.